Hello, little friends! Today we are going to embark on a magical journey together. Are you ready? Then fasten your imagination seatbelts because we are about to fly towards Ramadan. Ramadan is a month when our hearts shine like stars. During this month, we get closer to God more than ever. Today, we want to talk about the recommended deeds during Ramadan. One of the best things we can do this month is to read the Quran and understand its meanings. Another good deed is praying and seeking forgiveness. Seeking forgiveness means asking God to forgive us if we have made mistakes, and it is mentioned in the Hadith that we should say, Astaghfirullah Rabbi wa atubu ilayh. Another good deed during Ramadan is providing iftar for others. This act brings joy to hearts and shows our love for one another. One of the recommended methods is itikaf during Ramadan. Itikaf means staying in the mosque to worship and enjoy itikaf with our friends. Lastly, taking a ritual bath, ghusl, on all nights of the blessed month of Ramadan, especially on Laylat al-Qadr, the night of decree, is highly recommended. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed today's journey. Until next time, bye.